welcome to our channel. Today I'm here to present you the topic on the VANETs. By the way, I am Deepak from TechPacks Research and Innovation Services. We are the best thesis assistance providers for the MTech and the PhD research work, either in the wireless, data science, artificial intelligence, machine learning, image processing, electrical power system. We are basically a experts team which is working on different domains, and everyone is specialized in its domain, right? So let's start with today's topic, that is VANETs, vehicular ad hoc networks. So basically in the vehicular ad hoc networks, the vehicles are communicating from one location to another to transmit some data and all. So the real-time example for it is kind of the signals those are transmitting, some roads are jam or something like that. So autonomous cars are also proposed for the future. So in the same chain, these communication are very much successful. So let's start with the today's demonstration. So what we have done, we have implemented a prototype for the VANETs, vehicular ad hoc networks, and as an advancement, what we did, we have implemented it with the particle swarm optimization for finding a best routing. Also split the whole network into different grids. So this is also called the grid network communication. So I'm going to run this code. You can see it will be very fast because PSO algorithm is being implemented. So let me show it firstly. As I have taken only 30 iterations, so it was very quick. So if I'm going to increase it, so it will take some time. So as you can see on the screen, that the network is 200 by 200, and it is split into grids of 4 by 4, in which number of nodes being deployed. Those nodes are basically the vehicles which are in that particular region. As the equidistribution of the nodes is being done, so we have started that from which grid the data is to be transmitted. As you can see in the code, I have mentioned that from which grid it will start. So the source node number and the destination node number is also given, the 90 and the 10. It means how many nodes are there. We have given total 6 nodes per grid, so it means 16 into 6, so the total nodes are 96. So if I'm going to change this node number, for example, I'm giving it as 5 and running this code again, you can see the source node will be in the first grid. So see, in the first grid it is there, right? So what it is doing, it is finding a best route between the grids that to reach the destination node number, and transmitted the crucial information that will be helpful for the flawless communication, right? So this is the basically implementation of the VANETs protocol. For this, the PSO optimization algorithm is being implemented. So you can see the PSO algorithm is implemented with the best node selection. The fitness is very much improved, and it is bit more parameter dependent. So that is basically the main advancement, because mainly many of have done with the PSO, but the advancement is basically with the parameters that we have considered for this. So once we have implemented it, we have done the comparison also. So I'm going to show the comparison. So just wait a minute, let me show it to you. When I'm going to run this code, you can see it is processing for a number of times. I'm not the channels because it will take some time. You can see on the system that packet delivery ratio at different distance, it is monitored by varying the distance at the x-axis. Y-axis will show you the packet delivery ratio and many other factors, hope counts, how many end-to-end delay, what are the factors over there. So this is what we have implemented for this VANETs, vehicular ad hoc networks. So number of modifications are also possible. Even the intelligence can also be implemented in this. Intelligence in sense soft computing techniques, not the AI, because for using AI, the application areas will be a bit different. So I hope you people like this video, and might be this will be helpful for you to get an idea that what kind of research topics you can focus for the wireless communication. Thanks for watching the video. Stay tuned to our channel. Thank you.